Since the show ended, a lot has happened empilweni kaSam Kwekwela. She even deactivated her Instagram account. Namazi uhlezi aphosta ku-Instagram. So uSamke is recently facing bullying. Kahle kahle uze wakhuluma ngale ndaba ye-bullying and also ublockhe uyolokazi Chari, if I'm not mistaken. And she didn't just end there. I think yesterday uwele wavala ama-comment section wakhe waku Instagram, and also cha masivuka namhlanje i-account yakhe vele ayitholakali. Ngimseshile ngawo wonke amafoni ngamake sure ukuthi nje nami angibhlockwanga, kodwa nje ama-account wakhe wonke awatholakali. I think she's just taking a time off i-social media since nje engathi abone ukuthi nje akathandeki. I think bekumele nje athi ukuhlehlela nje emuva kancane, athule nje angaphosti next, because the more aposta the more people keep on bullying her. If ababhulisha ingane yakhe babhulisha umshado wakhe, if abasumshado wakhe babhulisha yena, and kubuhlungu for yena vele because ungene ngesikhathi esi-wrong, umseleko engakalungisi inkinga namakhosikazi wakhe, and now uthi yena makangena umshado kwaba ngathi uyamoshakala, and abantu manje sebablame yena ukuthi uyomosha umshado wakamseleki. And also people are thinking ukuthi mhlambe uqwatiswe ukuthi umusa uposte kumakhumalo namhlanje kuseni wathi my family, and uyazi ukuthi nje kune-beef phakathi komakhumalo nomakhwela. Umseleko angeke a-choose phakathi abafazi bakhe bonke at the end of the day. And ukuthi ubani akathandi bani, I don't think it matters kumseleko because akanandaba yena, as long nje anabafazi nje aphelele. But ama-emotions wabafazi bakhe akawa-consideri at all. So it might be nokuthi ukwatiswe yileyo ndaba leyo, and also indaba yokungampost. Ingasi manje umakhwela nje lapha into ayizele ukuzozala nje kuphela, elokhu ebhizi yenziwa inhlekisa. But then also it's also about bullying, guys. Bullying plays a huge role, and can we stop just bullying this person? Naye uwumuntu uyafana nathi, and as asesemncane anga-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani kuyo yonke lento lena, or if ever she just wanted fame or whatever, uzofunda ekuhambeni kwesikhathi. I think namanje uyafunda njengoba deactivate ama-account, and also I think uyilalile advise ebuya kumacele imtshela ukuthi nje yabona uma ufuna ukuphila kamnandi phuma nje ku-social media, and mawazi ukuthi nje uphila kamseleko phuma ku-social media, ungayinaki i-social media because abantu laphayana bazokugulisa, uzogula nje ngekhanda. If vele uyilalelile le-advice kamacele, hhayi uzohamba kahle shem, uzohamba kahle. Noma ngasidlalela nje ku-Facebook or Instagram nje ephoste nje into zakhe ephume engaphenduli abantu, eziphilele nje kamnandi, hhayi uzazipholela kamnandi. But then since yena esesemncane, she's still into social media and all, kuyoba lukhuni nje. But let's just hope ukuthi njengoba a-deactivate i-account uzobuya sekangcono, guys. What are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.